Hello, fellow gardeners. Today we're diving into the delightful world of strawberry farming. Few things compare to the joy of picking a sun-warmed strawberry from your own garden. It's a truly rewarding experience. Whether you have acres of land or just a small patio, you can grow strawberries. Let's get started. Strawberry farming is a journey of patience and care, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. From choosing the right variety to protecting your plants from pests, we'll cover it all. By the end, you'll be well equipped to grow your own bountiful harvest. So grab your gardening gloves and a trowel, and let's embark on this fruity adventure together. Remember, even the smallest effort can yield delicious results. Choosing the right strawberry variety is crucial for a successful harvest. There are three main types: June-bearing, ever-bearing and day-neutral. June-bearers produce one large crop in early summer. They are perfect if you love making jam or want a concentrated harvest. Ever-bearing varieties produce 2 to 3 smaller crops throughout the growing season. They are ideal for enjoying fresh strawberries over a longer period. Day-neutral strawberries produce fruit consistently throughout the summer, as long as temperatures remain moderate. They are perfect for gardeners who want a continuous supply. Consider your local climate and your desired harvest time when choosing a variety. Research different cultivars within each type to find the perfect fit for your garden. Strawberries thrive in well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. Before planting, it's essential to prepare your soil properly. Start by choosing a sunny location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Next, remove any weeds or grass from the area. Dig down about 12 inches and amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure. This will improve drainage and provide essential nutrients for your strawberries. Once the soil is amended, rake it smooth and level the surface. Strawberries prefer a slightly acidic soil pH between 5.5 and 6.5. You can test your soil pH using a kit and amend it accordingly with lime or sulfur. With your soil perfectly prepared, you're ready to welcome your strawberry plants. Now comes the exciting part, planting your strawberries. The best time to plant is in early spring or late summer, depending on your climate. Space your plants about 12 to 18 inches apart in rows that are 2 to 3 feet wide. Dig a hole large enough to accommodate the roots of your strawberry plant. Gently place the plant in the hole, making sure the crown, where the leaves meet the roots, is level with the soil surface. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the roots. Water your newly planted strawberries thoroughly to settle the soil and encourage root establishment. For optimal growth, apply a layer of mulch around your plants. This will help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Section 5. Caring for your crop, water, feed and protect. Once your strawberries are planted, consistent care is essential for a bountiful harvest. Water them regularly, especially during dry spells. Aim to keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Fertilize your strawberries every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to excessive leaf growth at the expense of fruit production. Protect your plants from frost by covering them with a blanket or row cover when temperatures dip below freezing. Remove the covering during the day to allow for sunlight and air circulation. Regularly remove any runners, those long stems that grow from the main plant, to encourage the plant to focus its energy on fruit production. Section 6. Outsmarting pests and diseases. Like all plants, strawberries are susceptible to pests and diseases. However, with vigilance and early intervention, you can keep these problems at bay. Common pests include slugs, snails, aphids and spider mites. Handpick slugs and snails or use beer traps to control their population. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil to deter aphids and spider mites. Diseases such as powdery mildew and grey mold can also affect strawberries. To prevent these fungal diseases, ensure good air circulation around your plants by spacing them properly and avoiding overhead watering. If you notice any signs of pests or diseases, treat them promptly with appropriate organic or chemical solutions. Section 7. Harvest time. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. After weeks of care and anticipation, it's finally time to harvest your delicious strawberries. Strawberries are ripe and ready to pick when they are fully red and slightly soft to the touch. Gently grasp the berry between your thumb and forefinger and twist it gently to detach it from the plant. Avoid pulling on the berry, as this can damage the plant. Harvest your strawberries in the morning after the dew has dried, but before the heat of the day. This is when the berries are at their juiciest and most flavorful. Enjoy your freshly picked strawberries immediately or store them in the refrigerator for up to a week. Section 8. After the harvest, preparing for next year. Once you've harvested your strawberries, it's time to prepare your plants for the following year. Remove any remaining mulch and spent leaves to prevent disease overwintering. If you live in a cold climate, protect your plants from frost by covering them with straw or evergreen boughs. This will insulate the roots and prevent them from freezing. In the spring, remove the winter protection and fertilize your plants to encourage new growth. With proper care, your strawberry plants can continue to produce delicious fruit for several years. Section 9. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Even experienced gardeners can make mistakes when growing strawberries. Here are some common pitfalls to avoid. Overwatering. Strawberries prefer moist soil, but can develop root rot if overwatered. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings, planting too close together. Overcrowding can lead to poor air circulation and increase the risk of disease. Space your plants adequately to ensure healthy growth, ignoring runners. Runners can sap energy from the main plant, reducing fruit production. Remove them regularly to encourage a bountiful harvest. Harvesting too early. Strawberries are only at their peak flavor when fully ripe. Wait until they are completely red and slightly soft to the touch before picking. Section 10. The sweet rewards of growing your own. Growing your own strawberries is a rewarding experience that connects you with nature and provides you with delicious homegrown fruit. The taste of a sun-warmed strawberry freshly picked from your garden is simply unmatched. But the rewards of strawberry farming go beyond the taste buds. It's a fulfilling hobby that teaches patience, care and respect for the natural world. It's also a great way to involve children in gardening and teach them about where their food comes from. So embrace the journey, savor the sweetness and enjoy the fruits of your labor.